Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Webworld. In this video, you will learn about how you can watch clear video on YouTube. Just we will browse about a video. You have to do little settings and you will be able to see high resolution video on your YouTube channel. Okay, you have to go to settings and then click on quality. Here you can see different options. So I am first trying 720 pixel. Now you can see the clarity and the topmost available is 1080 HD. Now you will see the difference in picture quality of YouTube. In this way you can adjust your YouTube video quality by doing this minor setting. I hope you like this video. Do comment, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.